Hi, I'm Joel, and this is our power front disc brake conversion kit for 1964.5 to 66 Ford Mustangs with automatic transmission. Part number for this kit is FC0001-H405A, and it comes complete with everything needed to install factory-style disc brakes to the original drum brake spindles. We've kept the install easy with no cutting, drilling, or welding required. Let's see what's included with this kit. You'll receive the installation instructions, a 1-inch bore dual bowl master cylinder mated to a 7-inch power brake booster. The brake line is necessary to route from the new master cylinder to the factory 3-port distribution block, as well as a union which will be installed to your rear brake line with the hard line supplied. This kit features our 11-inch cast iron rotors, along with zinc-plated cast iron 4-piston calipers with stainless steel pistons. You'll also receive the dust shields, mounting brackets, hardware, and all brake lines needed, making install easy. Search part number FC0001-H405A on our site for additional fitment and application notes. Like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Lead Brakes, where you can share photos and videos of your ride with us by using #ForTheWidePedal.